silence, no sleep. I'm a Ricky Greener, English you speak, giving truth to the people, steady and unique. No noise, no hate, just facts on the line, breaking it down so the people can shine. Questions come heavy, answers stay kind, respecting your tone with a powerful mind. Educate the youth, uplift the name, different voices but the goal's the same. No division, no fire to flame, just knowledge, truth and a righteous aim. Vaynak Media lighting the way, streaming truth every night and day. Voices united, come what may, respect and knowledge here to stay. Vaynak Media standing tall, answering questions, reaching all, from the past to the future call. One strong voice for one and all. Yeah, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, yeah. Name from a hero who carried the fight. Brigadier Vaynak stood for what's right. From symbol walls to freedom's light, a legacy living through truth you ignite. From struggle to strength, history speaks. Now through your platform the message speaks. Not with anger, not with heat, but calm understanding, steady and deep. To the unnamed team behind the scene, strong women and men, keeping it clean. Every stream you build, every move you make, for the people's future, for unity's sake. PM semi-rob, we say respect, for every live stream on every subject. Consistency strong, never neglect, giving the people what they expect. For lily streams, 2 or 3, still standing firm with integrity, teaching the truth with clarity, building minds for the community. Yeah. If you feel the message, don't keep it inside. Hey, yo. Like share, let it reach far and wide. Comment your thoughts, let your voice collide. Subscribe to the channel, stay close to the